Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. Drag and drop function is a popular and time-saving gesture many programs and apps support used to transfer data within or between applications. It also allows users to move or copy files, create shortcuts, and attach files to emails or chat, making tasks on a computer or device easier. However, there are instances when the drag and drop function can cause issues such as not working. If you're experiencing this issue, do not panic. There are solutions you can do to fix this, which will be discussed in this video. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. The first solution is to update mouse driver. The driver acts as a communicator between the mouse and the computer. However, if drivers are outdated and or faulty, it can cause the drag and drop function to malfunction and not work. To fix this, make sure drivers are up to date. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. At the Run dialog box, type dev.mgmt.msc and press Enter. Then at the Device Manager window, click Mice and other pointing devices to expand it. Right-click on your mouse and then click Update Driver from the drop-down menu. Select the option Search automatically for drivers. Once the best drivers are already installed, click Close to exit. Next, restart the computer. Once the computer completely reboots, the drag and drop function is already restored. If not, proceed to the next solution. The next solution is to restart Windows Explorer. There are instances when the drag and drop function may not work because the Windows Explorer is not responding or crashing. Restarting Windows. Explorer resolves the drag and drop not working issue as the process will be refreshed, thereby restoring the functionality of the drag and drop feature. To do this, head over to Task Manager by either pressing on Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete keys, or an alternative method is to right-click on the Start button and then select Task Manager. Now, as the Processes tab, scroll down and locate Windows Explorer under Apps. Click on the Windows Explorer process and then select the Restart tab. Check to see if the issue still occurs. However, if the issue persists, proceed to the next solution. The third solution is to run an SFC scan. SFC, or System File Checker, is a Windows tool that scans for missing and corrupt system files and repairs them if there are any found. To fix the drag and drop function not working, try to run an SFC scan to scan your computer to restore and repair corrupt files. To do this, type the command prompt at the search bar located at the lower left. Then, click Run as Administrator from the drop-down menu for administrative access. Now command prompt window, type the command SFC scan now and press Enter. Wait for the SFC scan to complete. Next, restart the computer. Once the computer completely reboots, check to see if the issue still occurs. The fourth solution is to execute the DISM command. If after running the SFC scan and the function is still not working, you may need to run the DISM tool this time. To do this, type the command prompt at the search bar located at the lower left. Then, click Run as Administrator from the drop-down menu for administrative access. Now command prompt window, type the command dism.exe online cleanup image, scan health and press Enter. Wait for DISM scan to complete. Next, restart the computer. Once the computer completely reboots, check to see if the issue still occurs. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.